Hi, I'm John from JREC Auto Care. So we started our business back in 2004. We were standalone for about 10 years, and then we partnered up with the dealership about 6 years ago, going on 7 in June. So we are located at a Mazda dealership out of the collision center. I would say about 3/4 of our business is retail from our existing clientele and building up new clientele every single year. And then the other 25% of our business is from the two dealerships that we're located at. We're creating these courses for people like yourselves, so you guys can get the fundamentals of whichever course that you're taking. But we're also going to be using these courses, as we do have some full-time staff, and then we also have seasonal staff. So it's just going to make our training process that much faster, so that when we hire on new people who are seasonal, even if they're full-time, we can have them sit down, watch these courses before they even enter the shop, so that way they have a good idea and the fundamentals of what we're sort of looking for depending on what course they're taking. And then when they get here, then it's they have an idea, and then it's all hands-on, which will then just increase their confidence and their level of expertise in that. So that's why we've created Car Care Coaches, where we can pass along what's worked for us, and we can pass it on to people as a guideline as to, okay, this is what's worked for us, this is what's hasn't worked out well for us, so we can sort of pass along our experience and try and build up your business with what's worked well for us.